You will love the features of this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, paddle shifters, heated rear seat, satellite radio. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.